Legime is a traditional Haitian dish in the form of a stew. Its ingredients are simmered beef or seafood and a variety of vegetables, including cabbage. Now, our focus is building our immune system this winter. Therefore, we're switching from the traditional white cabbage in this recipe to purple cabbage. I'm going to tell you why. Les Haïtiens côté nouye. Purple cabbage, also known as red cabbage, belongs to the same family as broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels, and kale. This red vegetable is a powerhouse of dietary fibers, complex carbohydrates, and potassium. Did you know that purple cabbage has more vitamin C than an orange? Vitamin C, vitamin A, and antioxidants found in cabbage improve and strengthen our immune system. It also helps in flushing out toxins from the body and therefore improves our metabolism. What exactly is metabolism, Yasmin? Metabolism is how fast or slow our body converts what we eat and drink into energy. In other words, how quickly do we burn calories? And let me tell you right now, skipping breakfast is not one of them. I'm going to discuss metabolism more in detail in another segment. Meanwhile, let's make legim, one of my favorite Haitian dishes. Here's our mise en place for our legim. This recipe will yield about 4 to 6 servings. We have here half a pound of beef stew, 2 teaspoons of lime juice, some salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of epis, 1 tablespoon of pikliz, and 1 tablespoon of pikliz vinegar. Now, these two, epis and pikliz, are staples in the Haitian kitchen. You cannot cook authentic Haitian food without them, period. Now, when I make them, I store them in the fridge for months. And for reference on how to prepare them yourself, select Haitian kitchen staples in my video library. Now we're simply going to marinate the meat, chill it overnight, and make the legim tomorrow. This beef has already been rubbed with lime juice and washed, ready to go. This is simply how we do it. Si nap gade la, messieurs, dames, se res ingredient yo pou legim nan. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of the olive oil. Next, we have 1 medium eggplant, 1 small chayote. Now, this fruit vegetable is unique because it's the shape and size of a pear, which you can find either in your Asian or Caribbean markets. This is 1 large carrot, 4 cups of white and purple cabbage, half a large bell pepper, half a small onion, 4 cloves. For our bouquet garni, this is 2 thyme sprigs and a combination of cilantro sprigs tied up. Next, we have here 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of epis, 1 teaspoon of beef bouillon, preferably the Maggi brand. This is 1 scotch pepper bonnet. Now, this pepper is the chili of the Caribbean, so do not substitute because its flavor is uniquely Caribbean. We have here 1.5 cups of stock. You can use beef or vegetable. And we have here 3 cups of roughly chopped spinach, and lastly some salt and pepper to taste. Legim is very simple to make. Under medium heat, we're going to combine the beef with the oil and allow it to tenderize in its own natural juices for 20 minutes. Then, with the exception of the spinach, we'll add everything else, cook them for 30 minutes, stirring from time to time to prevent squashing at the bottom. And finally, with the help of a potato masher, we're going to mash the eggplant, add the spinach, adjust our seasoning if necessary, garnish, and serve with some white rice.